Hi there, I'm Heidi Ingham, Associate Broker with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Utah Properties, and I am here in Lower Deer Valley at Deer Valley Resort to introduce you to my new resort listing. Located at 1096 Stonebridge Circle, you're just minutes from ski access here in Lower Deer Valley. Winter season, ski season at Deer Valley Resort 2024 may be closed, but soon the hillside behind me will be full of concerts, summertime festivals, food and wine, and all the things that brought you to Park City, Deer Valley in the first place. Come take a look at my new listing. Situated between Old Town and Deer Valley Resort, you will be dazzled by this exceptional Boulder Creek townhome. Meticulously refreshed by the current owner with new designer paint and furnishings, this residence offers an exceptional opportunity to enjoy all the delightful things that brought you to Park City in the first place. Light-filled and spacious floor plan offers a vaulted great room with a wall of windows, river rock fireplace, 2 primary suites, 1 with jetted soaking tub, a bunk room with plenty of space for extended family and guests, 3 decks, 1 with a private hot tub, and a private garage. Abundant storage throughout, including a large owner lockout closet, allowing you to store your personal items between rentals. Ski access is a snap with a complimentary city bus stop just steps from your front door to whisk you to Deer Valley Resort to start and end your ski day. No need to transport your skis, but benefit from the ski corral on the Lower Deer Valley Plaza. Enjoy the convenience of a short walk to Main Street and experience the energy, nightlife, boutiques, and restaurants just moments from home. The convenience of the location allows you to experience 12 months of recreation, whether it be skiing at Deer Valley or Park City Mountain Resort via the Town Lift, summer-long music and food festivals, or the mountain lifestyle that you deserve. Welcome to 1096 Stonebridge Circle and this splendid turnkey residence. Your invitation awaits.